We've now finished up side number 1. We're going to be moving on to side number 2. Now, the choice of scissor that we're going to be using for side number 2 is going to be the more premium scissor. So the reason why we have a more premium scissor is because the quality of the material is slightly better. Also, we have a slightly shorter blade on this scissor as well. And for me, I like working with the lightest possible scissor with the best possible quality. And for me, this has really good mixture of both of these things, allowing me to be really versatile and flexible with the way that I can hold them, but also knowing that I don't need to sharpen them every few weeks, meaning that I can rely on this scissor every single time. So once we've finished side number 2 and the hair is sitting beautifully behind the ear, we can then look to soften up the sideburn area. So again, we can use the precision of the small blade, and we can work a really nice, soft, natural area through the sideburn using the big side of the comb with some scissor over comb. Again, working with a much smaller blade allows you to be able to work in a more precise way where you can focus on a very small area at one point and get a really nice detailed result. Moving on to the next part of the haircut, we're going to be working from the 2 side panels complete, moving on to the top of the head as the last zone to cut. So when we're focusing on the top of the haircut, we're going to be working with a central profile guide. We're going to be elevating the hair completely upright, and we're going to be cutting from the shortest point, which will be at the back of the head, and we're going to be cutting with the scissor facing forward into the longest point. This will help us control our length and our cutting line. You can see as I'm working through the top part of the head, it can be quite a difficult area to reach in some aspects. The scissor will show off its flexibility in design. When we work with it in our finger and our thumbs, we don't place the thumb all the way through. We let the thumb rest on the bevel of the design, allowing me to work with my wrist completely straight, giving me more control in the cut. So let me show you. There we go, we can see I'm completely comfortable in holding the scissor in that way.